Trading Conspiracies.
Tinfoil edition.
Welcome to Trading Conspiracies, episode Tinfoil edition.
Yep, tinfoil edition.
And what we're talking about today is traders messing around and spoofing whatever they can do, the bid and the ask numbers on the level 2.
You mean like flashing numbers in?
I mean flashing numbers in, flashing numbers out, and I told you guys the other day, honestly, when you see a number flashing in and out, I don't necessarily think that somebody's like trying to spoof or mess with or manipulate anything. I think that's probably just a trader that's trying to get into or out of an illiquid situation.
Yeah.
And who knows, maybe they're like just hoping that they'll get hit on one of those orders. Or they're just frustrated, going nuts, going,
yeah,
cancel, whatever.
Yeah, but you see those numbers flash in and out, and then they'll pop up again when you get to that number, though. So.
Right, yeah, the hidden walls. So,
Yeah,
you're trading and it says 6,000, and you get one penny away or whatever. Next thing you know, you got 118,000, or a lot of times you'll see a wall flash in. Like, for example, if I grab something at the bottom of a pullback at really really bottom ticking the stock there. Basically, I see a lot of times they'll throw in like a wall real quick, 26,000, and then they'll throw in like a 16,000 right below that.
Yeah.
And what they're doing is they're mimicking or imitating what they would do normally. This is something that you look for on the tape, on the level 2. Mm-hmm. This is something you look for anyways. Like if you're trading and your position, all of a sudden you see them put a wall in, then all of a sudden you see them put the wall lower, and they keep bringing that wall lower and building it up. That's usually a bad sign for you and your position. Yeah. But now on the other hand, I've bottom ticked these stocks and grab these things, and they flash in these numbers, 26,000, whatever, and then the next thing I know, the penny below that, we got 16,000, then all of a sudden it comes down, there's 12,000 there. It's like, oh no, they're gonna kill this stock. Well, no, that's not really the case sometimes. Sometimes they're just putting these numbers in there to scare people out.
Yeah.
Well, that's the conspiracy, at least, right? But
sure.
More than a conspiracy, in my opinion, I believe that there's definitely people that do put in numbers that they don't intend to fill. Mm-hmm. That they're putting in walls on the ask and walls on the bid, trying to make it look like the stock is more bullish or bearish. And that's why I've heard a lot of traders, and you've heard them too, very prominent traders in the trading world, that say that I don't even look at level 2. Mm-hmm. I don't put much into level 2 at all.
Right.
And I would say I love looking at level 2, and I definitely look at level 2, but I do not get afraid of any of these walls. I don't get, if I see a 26,000 wall go in there, I don't just automatically go, oh, well, there's a supply zone. Like, why would I do that? No.
Right.
Or, all of a sudden I see big, huge bids coming in, I don't think that automatically the stock's going to go up. In fact, a lot of times I see big bids come in, I tell her, I said, I should probably get out. Mm-hmm. Because what you usually see is these big bids come in, and I don't know what's going on, if somebody's trying to entice more buyers to come in or what they're trying to do before they dump. But, very soon after I see these big bids coming in, a lot of times, I see them eat that wall, no problem, and crash the stock. Yeah. Next thing you know, you're in this stair-stepping situation. You say you average down. It's going to hold right below your number, right at your number, then stair-step down again, stair-step down again. So paying attention to level 2, reading the tape, watching the time and sales, all very important stuff. But on the level 2, where you're looking at the bids, you're looking at the ask, what you're doing is simply, for any of you that are not familiar with the level 2, you're looking at the number of stocks on at that price point for that somebody's trying to sell, or on the bid where somebody's trying to buy. That's all it is. It's what's the demand for this stock, what's the supply for this stock.
Right.
And that can give you an idea too. It's like what can get filled. So if I'm in at 123 and I want to sell at the bid to get out really quick. And there's a wall of only 60 shares, and I'm trying to get out of a 2,000 share, 10,000 share position. That's not really going to work out. There's not the right amount there for me to get out.
Right.
So anyways, the level 2 can help you as far as knowing, can I get out real quick at this number? Can we do the stealth trades that we've talked about, guys?
Right.
We want to do, I want to do stealth trades. I want to make sure, stealth orders rather.
Yeah, stealth orders.
Making sure that I get filled. That's my primary objective. Not just putting in orders, but making sure I get filled.
Right. So. Want to get filled.
Anyways, so that's it for Trading Conspiracies, episode Tinfoil edition with that loud
tinfoil.
Tinfoil. It's not really tinfoil, but anyways.
Yeah.
So thanks for joining us, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Come check us out in the live stream every day. And most definitely TradeStation Salutes. Anybody who served, who has served, first responders, they definitely take care of you over TradeStation. Check them out. We got the link in the description. And anybody who is in our community, which that's you right now, they've also offered a rebate for you guys as well over at TradeStation. And I believe TSGO has $0 commissions. You can trade on the web. You can trade on the app. So that's pretty awesome too.
Yeah.
And their app has a trade matrix. Pretty nice app overall.
Yeah, I like it.
So definitely, guys, TradeStation's awesome. I love TradeStation. That's my primary platform that I trade with, TradeStation 10 every day.
Yep.
And I wouldn't really want to trade without them. In fact, I think I just might quit if they were gone. So.
Yeah, maybe.
So anyways, guys, thanks for joining us. Again, please like and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.
Yep. See you next time. Hi, I'm Sarah with Mighty Soldiers Trades. We really appreciate your support. If you like that video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.